वेलकम टू आवर चैनल यूनाइटेड कोचिंग। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे 25 क्वेश्चंस ऑन जनरल नॉलेज। हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज़ द ऑफिशियल नेम ऑफ कोरोना वायरस एज डेजिग्नेटेड बाय द वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, दैट इज WHO? So the answer is SARS-CoV-2. The virus is known as SARS-CoV-2 and the disease it causes in humans is named COVID-19. हमारा दूसरा क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट डज द 19 इन कोविड-19 स्टैंड्स फॉर? सो द आंसर इज 19 refers to the year 2019 when it was first encountered. हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज अ वायरस? सो आंसर इज अ वायरस इज अ submicroscopic infectious agent that thrives or replicates only inside a living cell. Viruses can infect all types of life forms from animals and plants to bacteria. हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट आर द सिम्टम्स ऑफ कोविड-19? सो द आंसर इज द मोस्ट कॉमन सिम्टम्स लिस्टेड ऑन द WHO website are fever, dry cough and tiredness. There are other less common symptoms like body aches and pains, sore throat and headaches. Next question is, what is the most effective way of removing the coronavirus from your hands? So the answer is soap. Now soap disrupts the lipids in the outer membrane of the virus. Because of this, the structure of the virus collapses, thus making the virus ineffective. Our next question is, how big is the coronavirus? So coronavirus is a large virus, roughly spherical with bulbous surface projections. The average diameter of the virus particles is around 125 nanometer or 0.125 micrometer. Our next question is, what is the genetic material of coronavirus? So the answer is, the genetic material of coronavirus is RNA. Now coronaviruses are large, enveloped and positive stranded RNA viruses. They have the largest genome of all the RNA viruses. Our next question is, what does the coronavirus attaches to when it enters the human body? So the answer is, when the virus is inhaled, it attaches to the cell lining of the throat and larynx. These cells have receptors known as ACE2 receptors on their surface to which the virus locks onto. Our next question is, what is the full form of ACE2 receptors? So the answer is angiotensin converting enzyme 2, that is ACE2. Now ACE2 is an enzyme which is attached to the cell membranes of the cells in the lungs, arteries, heart, kidney and intestines. Now ACE2 enzyme acts as a receptor which provides the entry point for the coronavirus to hook onto and infect the cells. Next question is, how does a virus thrives or spreads inside the body? So the answer is, the virus replicates by inserting its RNA into the replication machinery of the human cells. Then it makes multiple copies of itself and then these copies burst out of the cell, causing the infection to spread. Our next question is, full form of RNA is, that is ribonucleic acid. It is a single stranded genetic material. Our next question is, which organ in the body does the coronavirus primarily attacks? So the answer is respiratory system, especially lungs. Now the coronavirus accesses host cells via the enzyme angiotensin converting enzyme 2, that is ACE2, which is most abundant in the type 2 alveolar cells of the lungs. Our next question is, what is Pompeii famous for? Now Pompeii was an ancient city near Naples, Italy, which got buried under ash and pumice after the catastrophic eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD. The volcano buried the entire city of Pompeii under a thick carpet of more than 9 feet or 3 meters of volcanic ash. Our next question is, the mouth of a volcano is known as crater. Which is the largest desert in the world? So the answer is Sahara Desert, which is located in the northern part of Africa continent. How many countries are covered by Sahara Desert? So it is 11 countries. Our next question is, name the countries covered by Sahara Desert. So the answer is Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Western Sahara, Sudan and Tunisia. Who was the first man to climb Mount Everest? So the answer is Tenzing Norgay. What is the name of the Indian state with the least population? Answer is Sikkim. Which was the first calculating device? So answer is abacus. Who invented mechanical calculator called Pascaline? So answer is Blaise Pascal. Which was the world's first general purpose electronic computer? So answer is ENIAC. The full form of ENIAC is Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. It was the first programmable general purpose electronic digital computer built by the US during World War II. Who is considered as the father of artificial intelligence? So answer is John McCarthy. How is the quality of printer measured? Answer is DPI, that is dots per inch. How is the quality of digital photograph measured? Answer is PPI, that is pixels per inch.